In today's video, we're going to write an equation for a proportional relationship from a graph. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the table and write the equation for the relationship shown in the graph. Okay, so first thing, let's review our x and y and origin. Okay, so this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and here we have the origin, and that is where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. Okay, so just a review on that. So first thing, remember that each row in a table of x and y values represents an ordered pair. And then remember what an ordered pair means. Here's the x and here's the y. An ordered pair tells you the position along the x-axis or the x-coordinate, and then the y tells you the position along the y-axis or the y-coordinate, and this is the ordered pair. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out what this point is on the graph, okay? So x is telling us that it's 3. So we go along the x-axis till we hit 3. And then we go up until we hit the graph. So we've hit the graph here, and this number here is 6, okay? So now what we have to do is find the input-output rule to find the equation. And I'll go in detail on what that means and how to find the equation. So here we have 2, 2 is x, and here we have 5, 5 is the y. What do we have to add to x to get 5? Well, we add 3. Let's go to the next one. We know that the y value is 6. We found it here, right? So the x is 3, the y value is 6. So what do we add to 3 to make it equal to 6? Well, we add 3. And we just keep going like that, okay? So for 4, what do we add to it to make it equal to 7? Again, we add 3. For 5, we add 3 and it gives us 8. And then for 6, we add 3 again and that gives us 9. So we can see that x plus 3 equals y, right? So, or another way of writing that, y equals x plus 3. And that is the equation. And that's how you find the equation. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You can also download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.